Have you ever tried looking at the top YouTubers and wondered, how did they even get there? Well, yeah, they may have a different theme with each one of them and a different way of managing their channel, images, or presentation, but there has to be something that ties them all together because they all achieve the same success. So today we're going to analyze the best YouTubers in the world and the secrets that help them get their popularity that they have today. First up, analyzing the need of the audience. Don't turn on the camera just yet because you have to find out what your audience actually wants to know. 60% of YouTube views are search driven, so you need to understand what your audience is looking for and create content around that topic. The 3 research methods he recommends on social media, keyword searches on Google. So make sure you keep an eye out on competition, see what search words are trending, download certain softwares that will help you find these trending keywords, and then go from there. Next up, investing is important. If you love YouTube and want to get your channel up and running, make sure you're investing in yourself. I can tell you from experience, the first 2 things that struck me when I watched this video were how good the quality of the camera was, and if you have a really good camcorder or microphone, that will help as well. Camera quality is number 1 and sound is number 2. Next up, you gotta have a tight schedule. You need an upload schedule, you need a scheduling schedule, and you need an editing schedule. It doesn't have to be precise, and you might not know exactly what it is right now, but you will get the hang of it. You need at least 1 video per week, if not daily, and make sure you're uploading those shorts too. Make sure you're doing every single day. That's probably for the best amount of growth. The more content, the better. Next up, the importance of thumbnails. Thumbnails are absolute key in getting views. Just ask yourself this question. Would you click a boring, low quality thumbnail, or would you choose a bright, colorful, high quality one that you can see that passes the squint test? Shout out Ryan Trahan. Next up, consistency. The most successful channels have grown their audience by creating consistently engaging tutorial content that's easy to share and invites clicks. Take Peter McKinnon, for example. If you look back at where Peter started, they were all vlogs. At first, they didn't get the traction they wanted, and then he put on a how-to video. So he took what he learned and applied it from time and time again. They bring new people into their ecosystem every single day. Next up, stick to a specific theme. If people are confused by your channel content, they will start ignoring you. Click-through rates and view time improve significantly when viewers know exactly what speed and what to expect that they are receiving from a channel. The same goes for subscriptions and ultimately for prospects, customers, and clients. The first 2 secrets can get people's attention, but keep it private and relatable. You can't win subscribers with vlogs either. It looks cool but sucks as a business model. Adding relevant prospects can help convert customers into customers. People want to do business with people they like, so get personal, especially before class. Next up, discipline and responsibility. Now this one might sound strange, but your hobby should be your unpaid job. You don't come to your boss at work and say you don't want to do work today, do you? No, the same attitude should be adopted when working on your channel. But don't confuse responsible behavior with inappropriate behavior. Each work must be limited in time, and don't push yourself if you're not in the mood, but it's very difficult to find a balance. The most popular YouTubers often talk about how editing videos can take all night and day and weeks to come up with new ideas. Try not to obsess over the result, just enjoy the process. That's more sustainable long term. It's your favorite hobby after all, so put your soul into it. Think positive, and you will always be inspired. And finally, speaking skills. One of the main differentiators of a good YouTuber is their ability to speak. Come to think of it, why would they even try to hire smart people for a 40 to 50 minute show? This show is very interesting. It's about travel, other cultures, and landscapes, but for the audience to see it through the end, regardless of which country they visit, it needs to be moderated by someone who can convey information interestingly. Practice your speech, delete unnecessary words, or change it to be your own, as long as it doesn't distract anyone. Use your sense of humor because it's one of the most important things on YouTube. Even in niches of finance and politics, you want to be energetic, have a little bit of sarcasm, have fun with it, and maybe even some intellectual humor. This makes the topic more complete and interesting. Well guys, thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. If you enjoyed, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.